Let me guess, it's blazing outside, your air conditioner is on the fritz, and the only thing you want more than anything right now is for your air conditioner to work again. We know how you feel, so let's talk about what to expect when repairing your air conditioner. Hi, I'm Jared with Fire and Ice, and we have repaired thousands of air conditioners all over Central Ohio. In this video, we'll go over everything you need to know about having your air conditioner repaired, such as what occurs during an air conditioner repair, when is it time to repair my air conditioner, how much does an air conditioner repair cost, and finally, how do I schedule repair for my air conditioner. By the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to know about getting your air conditioner repaired. Your air conditioner uses several mechanical processes to suck the heat out of your home. When your AC unit struggles to keep up with the demand, it leaves you feeling very uncomfortable in your home. When this happens, your air conditioner likely needs repaired, and it's time to call an HVAC professional. During the repair process, an HVAC technician will assess your system and diagnose the problem. An estimate is then typically given to you prior to any work being done. Once the estimate is approved, the technician will perform any work necessary to get your air conditioner operating again. If your luck is anything like mine, if something can go wrong, it will. As a homeowner, there's always the potential for something to break. Yes, even your air conditioner on the hottest day of the year. Even though a repair is obvious in these circumstances, there can be other signs your AC is due for a repair. Weak airflow coming from the vents, new or unfamiliar sounds such as vibrating, squeals, or banging noises, a noticeable increase in your energy bills, puddling of water near your furnace, unusual odors like mustiness or electrical smells. All of these can be symptoms of a larger problem and would require a certified HVAC technician to diagnose and properly repair the system. Every repair is unique to your air conditioner and your individual circumstances. In order to properly fix your system, an HVAC technician will need to diagnose the issue. At Fire and Ice, our diagnostic process starts at $89. All of the costs of repair can vary by region. Expect to pay on average for a compressor replacement, $2,500 and up. A condenser replacement, $1,700 and up. Evaporator replacement, $1,500 and up. And smaller components range between $300 and $800. Scheduling a repair for your air conditioner with Fire and Ice is simple and can be done through our website or by giving us a call. Visit our website and fill out our scheduled service contact form, and we'll be in touch to find a day and time that works best for you within 24 hours. If you're outside our service area, we recommend having a licensed and certified HVAC contractor to do any repairs to your system. At Fire and Ice, our NATE certified technicians are able to repair any air conditioner, regardless of make or model, even on units we didn't install, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. On the date of your appointment, we will diagnose the source of the issue and provide a full, flat rate estimate for all repairs backed by our 1-year warranty. If your air conditioner needs repaired and you're in the Central Ohio area, give Fire and Ice a call. If you want more information on the services we provide, click the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notifications every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to making your day even better.